Assalamualaikum and a very good day everyone. So here's Roma third kit 2000-2001. This season they won their third Scudetto in a trailing match. So here's the hip press that I've done. Actually I've removed the old Nameset, but I don't record the process. And my customer requested me to put the same Nameset on this kit. So here we go. The peel off process. So the material for this Nameset is PU vinyl. And the close up after hip press, as you can see here. Oh, there's a cat, sorry for the disturbance. There is no old trace of the old Nameset, alhamdulillah. I managed to clean it well. Actually it's not easy doing removal on this kit because the material itself, the elastane or lycra. Okay, but alhamdulillah the result is quite good. Okay, ready to ship out, and thank you for watching.